Okay, thank you very much. Okay, you need to configure first the server. Setting. Okay, just check here. 25.1. You can configure here. Where's the okay, turn off the long. Stacks 192, 198, 26. Oops, found it. And now you can see, and you can ping, for example, now doing 26. What? I cannot remember the name of the lattice. Yes. Okay, you can design a lot of different applications here, okay? And it's very easy to create server, to connect topology and perform and tests like that. What you need to do? The first thing, you need to watch this video to create an account in the Cisco Packet Trace, in the Cisco Net Academy. Okay, if you already has account in the Cisco Academy, probably you already have the Packet Tracer. Okay, if you don't have the Cisco account yet, okay, watch the video to see how to create an account. Okay, and after it, you will realize two exercises. The first exercise is to use Cisco Packet Tracer. You download I open here to download. Okay, it's this first case here. Oops. Okay, it's the example here. And what you do, you have the point cabling device. Sorry, you have a tutorial here, and you need to follow step by step. Okay, what you do at the end, you define, you receive. Okay, for example, here you need to put switch 2960. Here you need to put 2960. Here you need to put a PC, and what you do, you create this topology using the tools. Okay, and in this tutorial, it shows step by step how to create this topology. Okay, it's the first exercise. The second exercise is a little similar. Okay, what's changed is in the second exercise, you will create this network here. Okay, it's a wireless network. You put a cable modem, internet, and you connect the PC and to the Cisco.com. Okay, and the PC use the cabling, and the computer, this notebook, use a wireless connection. Okay, again, and you follow step by step the how to design these things. The both exercise is important to training how to use these tools to create a network and how to experiment to design things. It's very easy. Only you need to click and select the node and click in the dashboard and create the things, connect the things. You don't need to programming a lot of things. It's very easy. Okay. I would like to realize this activity now is 11 p.m. Okay, our class I will have 1 more hour. I would like to realize this exercise in 45 minutes, okay? And I need you 50 minutes to explain the next evaluation, okay? Any questions? Any question, guys?
No, teacher.
Okay. If you have any question, I'm here, okay, to clarify, okay? It's an individual task, okay? It's not a group task, okay? And important that everybody knows how to do these type of things, okay? And it's all, okay? Go to the canvas, watch the video. A question: did you already use it, the pack tracer, or it is the first time? First time. Okay, Carla. Okay. Watch the video. If you have any questions, I didn't understand this step, I can help you, okay? I'm here to help, okay? Just call me, okay? And I don't open the breakout room because it's individual. If you have any question, you can call me here, okay? Or do you prefer that you open the breakout room and you work, perform this test together? What do you think is the must? How do you want to work? Do you want to open the breakout room, or you want to keep here and work here?
The breakout rooms.
The breakout room, okay. I just check how many groups you are. Give me a second. Just check the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Okay, I already created the groups. Is the 1 to 5. I put the name. Just a moment. Okay, the breakout room is open. Okay, guys. Any question, just call me. Hi guys. Checking. Okay. Any question about the exercise? Did you have time to finalize it?
No.
Okay, but did you finish the first one at least?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
The second that you didn't have time to finalize, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Please try to do this exercise in your home, okay? And I didn't start any I didn't start any activity now, okay? I don't start to I only show the I will change I changed the date, okay, the deadline, the due date, because we spend more time to explain network than I planned before. But give me a second. But for the next session, give me a second. I'm opening my. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. In the next session, I will talk about the IoT architecture. This is a very short presentation. I believe I have 10 or 15 slides, okay? It's a very short, really very short. A lot of things that we will talk here, we already show in the class, okay? What I would like to ask you to do before the session, you don't need to read exactly read this part. This part I will explain in the class, okay? What I want to read before, because it's not hard to do, is to read about this part here, IoT architect example, smart home. Just only to understand the type of equipment that you have inside the home. For example, the smart locks, the climate control, lighting, security systems, smart motion sensors, system antennas. What I ask you to do before the session, not to read because I will teach, I will talk about this presentation. I use the session to discuss this presentation after the seminar. But I would like to read this part here because this exercise here, okay? I will change the deadline. No, yes, 5 November is the first week after the seminar. I'm check here. Semana yes. I will move this exercise for this week here, okay? The second week after the Semana. But probably we have this exercise and another one. But this exercise is easy to, okay? If you want, because there is no new concept, it's exactly the same what you're doing in the exercise that you're doing now. It's the same exercise, okay? However, instead you use, for example, networking, computers, and something like that, you use IoT device in the smart home, okay? If you want, and if you can, realize this activity here and this activity here, and during the session, I explain it and clarify any question that you have, I really appreciate. But I will move the test 3, that is the test that you need to submit 1 week ahead, okay? But if you can realize this exercise here in your home, the task 1, task 2, I really appreciate it. And during the session, I back to these examples and explain, and maybe we can, how I say, we can, I clarify any question that you have about the task 1, task 2, okay? Again, the both task is the same thing that you did today, or that you are doing today. However, you use IoT device, not computers and routers, okay? The important thing here, the PDF has a lot of things that is to the old version of the packet tracer. It's the reason that I generate this errata here, okay? You check, for example, if you have problem in connection, in the page says you have a mistake, in the page 9 you have another mistake, and page 13 you have the same problem. Okay, when you enter in the page 6 and page 9 and page 13, you need to read here, because if you use follow the process that the manual has, it's not work. Okay, and you need to follow the things like that. Okay, any questions? Again, I will move now to avoid to miss it. Okay, give me a second. I move the deadline. 12 and 12. Okay, I already moved. Okay, you have one more week to. One more week, am I correct? Yes, one more week. Okay. Here I published a rubrica to simplify the, not only to evaluate, but to understand how I evaluate this exercise. Okay. But for now, I don't want to start the test 3. Okay, I will explain this session exactly what I want, but at least start the test 1, test 2, because it's an exercise like you are doing now. Okay. Any questions?
Teacher,
Okay, go ahead.
but for now, we don't have to upload anything, right?
No, you don't upload nothing.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, because the test 1, test 2 you will not upload the files. What you upload is the test 3, because the test 3 is the real. The test 1 is the test 2 is a warning. Okay, one up to realize the test 3. Did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, but again, it's exactly, the exercise is very similar than what you're doing now. The difference is it's a more complex exercise. Okay, involve a lot of other things, and IoT. You need to use and to implement IoT device. It's amazing because you turn on for example, the sprinkle, and the sprinkle start to send water. You to know for example, the lights. I don't remember if you have lights, but if you have light, you turn on the lights. The light is turned on. It's amazing. It's amazing exercise. Okay, and okay, again, if you can to do it before the session, I appreciate, because it's when I explain the things in the next session, it's become a lot of easier. Okay. Any question, guys? No? Just remember, after the Semana I, on Monday, we have class with me, okay, in the beginning of Monday. And I need that the groups are prepared to this meeting, okay? It's about this Monday, it's meeting, okay? My plan is not to use the time to teaching, okay? But it's a meeting, or maybe to clarify any points about the class, okay? On Wednesday is the teaching class, is the teaching session, okay? Okay? Anything that we want to
teacher.
talk?
Yes.
No? Guys,
I know.
great Semana I. I saw some course that you have there. There are very amazing course that I don't know if it's for you. It's about Python. Yes, I believe it's Jose you teach. It's amazing course, but there are other ones that is amazing. I have a great week, end of week, and have a great Semana I, okay? See you on after the Semana I. Thank you, guys.
Teacher, I have a little
Okay.
doubt about in Canvas we have an activity that we need to update, upload a video about what we present today. Do we still need to update it? Upload it, sorry.
Okay, can you repeat, please? I didn't,
Well,
I didn't understand the
let me
question.
confirm
It's
it.
about what?
About this activity in Canvas, is that we need to.
No, you
make a video.
upload only. No, you upload only a text file. Okay, for example, a text file. Inside the text file, you upload a text file like a WordPad file. Okay, and you upload two lines. The first line is the name of the group. The second line is the link of the Jira project. Only it.
Only those two things?
Yes, only it, because I need some submission to put grades, okay? And I use this file to put grade because what is important is the presentation that you did.
Yeah, because here it says that the presentation of 15 minutes, and I thought we need to make a video and upload it here.
No, you don't need to upload the presentation.
Okay.
Just
Okay,
only the file,
That's the other without that I have. Thank you, teacher.
okay? Thank you. Have a great week, end of week, and great semana aí. Okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you.
Teacher.
Have a nice weekend.
Bye, teacher.